All right, so I just viewed a property where the owners are considering selling and they're wondering about their potential value. During these meetings recently, with the change in the market, there are three things that I really focus on and wanted to share them. So the first is don't necessarily believe all of what you hear, right? There's a lot of negativity and, people saying that values are so down. But here's the thing. Yeah, we're down since March. Accurate. But keep in mind, we are up year over year with incredible values. The second thing, though, is yes, values are great, but you still have to be strategic in your pricing. So that means pricing at market value rather than trying to price above. Keep in mind that yes, values are up year over year, but that the inventory is beginning to tick up just a little bit. It's not necessarily a neutral market, but we're seeing more inventory than we have in the most recent years past. The third thing that I like to talk about is how important it is to have excellent marketing right now. So because inventory is ticking up, the marketing is so incredibly important, and it's really important to be technology focused. Buyers don't have a lot of time. Plus, mortgages are incredibly expensive right now. So you got to put in front of them why your home is better than the competition and why it's a great value. To do that, you have to have the best marketing, which includes technology, internet, in-person, overall strategy. It's all encompassing and it's really important. So that's it. Those are the three things. Most important topics that I talk about in these meetings recently. This complex is really cute.